guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. This is a 2025 Merhow 7300. This is a used trailer, but very lightly used. 7300 means 7 wide, 3 horse, gooseneck. It is 7'8" tall. Yes, 7'8" tall. A true 7 wide trailer. Silver in color. It is all aluminum. It has a stainless nose. It does have an electric jack with a battery. Spare tire. It's got full running boards on front, from front to back. I'll come back around and show you the dressing room. 3 drop down windows with bars, escape door, aluminum wheels. It has a rear ramp, brush box, 3-tier saddle rack. It has added fans, 3 big slider windows on the rear, of course drop windows on the head side, roof vents, padding on the wall for the first stall, a walk-through door, lower divider, and these are the airflow padded dividers, so airflow padded dividers. There's also padding up against the chest of each horse. Like I said, this trailer is like new. We just washed it, so it's got some water in here in the floor. Fans across the back, and 3 slider windows. Collapsible rear tack, I don't think I said that. So that rear tack does collapse. See full running boards on this side as well. Go around, I'll step up in the dressing room. It's got the extrusion, that's the ribbed aluminum underneath those windows there to the back. It's got a big dressing room, saddle rack. You can put the saddle rack here in the front. Bridle hooks. Walk-through door. Empty weight of this trailer is 4,844 pounds. So 4,844 pounds. 2 windows up in the nose area. There's the battery for the electric jack. That's a little step. This little thing folds down to step up. So 2025 Merhow 7300. Great using trailer, great runaround trailer. You can camp in this trailer if you'd like. So again, excellent shape, like new, 2025 Merhow 7300. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks a lot, guys.